Ever pondered the profound intricacies that make men so intriguingly distinct? Welcome to the mesmerizing domain of male psychology, a field that intertwines the threads of biology, sociology, and neuroscience to decipher the mystery that is the male mind. Today, we delve into 10 scientifically grounded insights that shed light on the complex maze of male cognition and emotion. These insights, drawn from extensive research and empirical evidence, aim to elucidate not just the inherent uniqueness of men, but also their shared experiences across cultures and demographics. So sit back, relax, and prepare yourself for an enlightening journey into the relentless surge and retreat of the masculine psyche. 1. Research shows that men often exhibit enhanced spatial abilities. This fascinating trait has its roots in their evolutionary role as hunters and gatherers. Throughout human evolution, men were often the primary providers for their tribes, necessitating an understanding and navigation of varied terrains. Their brains have evolved accordingly, with specific neural pathways and structures enabling them to more accurately interpret spatial relations and distances. 2. Neuroscientific research indicates that men tend to be more focused and goal-oriented. The amygdala, the emotional processing center of the brain, works differently in men, enabling them to stay focused on tasks and goals, even in emotionally intense situations. 3. Studies show that men's brains often process information in a unique, linear manner. This is because they tend to utilize one hemisphere of the brain at a time. Unlike women who typically employ both sides of the brain concurrently, men are capable of concentrating neurons on one side. This usage of the left or right brain hemisphere facilitates a more focused thinking process. 4. Research suggests that men can be more prone to conditions such as ADHD and autism, a phenomenon that can largely be attributed to both genetic and environmental factors. In addition to this, societal expectations can sometimes push men to suppress their emotions, making them more vulnerable to these mental health issues. However, this also often empowers men to seek solutions and confront challenges head-on. 5. Studies have shown that men's ability for problem-solving can be remarkable. This ability can be attributed to their brain structure, which is designed to handle complex situations and find practical solutions. The frontal lobes, responsible for higher cognitive functions, are generally more active in men. This allows for greater analytical thinking, facilitating a higher ability to solve problems. 6. Research indicates that men often exhibit a tendency towards risk-taking, a trait deeply rooted in evolutionary factors. This can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, this propensity for risk can lead to innovation and progress, but on the other, it can also lead to unnecessary danger and stress. 7. Studies suggest that men often exhibit a heightened sense of competition, a trait shaped by both social and evolutionary factors. Socially, men are often conditioned to be more competitive and assertive. Evolutionarily, the need to compete for resources and mates has also contributed to this trait. 8. Research indicates that men exhibit resilience when dealing with stress. A key factor in this resilience is their tendency to confront challenges head-on. This means that instead of avoiding stressors, men often face them directly, finding practical solutions to problems. 9. Neuroscience reveals that men often exhibit a stronger sense of direction, stemming from the unique wiring of their brains. This wiring enables them to navigate complex terrains and remember routes, contributing to a heightened sense of direction. 10. Studies show that men possess a heightened ability to compartmentalize, primarily influenced by psychological factors. They are more inclined to separate different aspects of their lives, dealing with each part individually. This ability is largely attributed to their focused thinking and problem-solving skills, which contribute to their exceptional adaptability. To conclude, the realm of male psychology is a maze of fascination, teeming with profound complexities and subtle nuances. From their inherent competitiveness and profound problem-solving abilities to their stalwart resilience in the face of adversity, men display a distinctive set of psychological attributes that make them genuinely remarkable. Delving deeper, it's important to understand that these insights are not merely confined to understanding the male psyche. Their implications go far beyond and can serve as a tool for anyone, irrespective of gender, to gain a deeper understanding of the significant men in their lives, be it a father, brother, partner, or friend. By understanding these psychological facets, we can empathize more effectively, communicate more genuinely, and in essence foster connections that are deeper and more meaningful with the men in our lives. These insights are not only to be understood, but to be shared widely, so that the collective growth in understanding can enhance the overall quality of interpersonal relationships with men. This endeavor is not merely about understanding, but about appreciation and connection. So I encourage you to take these revelations, disseminate them, and utilize them as instruments for cultivating more profound, empathetic, and authentic connections with the men around you. Until our next exploration in psychology, to question, continue to learn, and most importantly, stay curious.